Hi, this is Ramu, Associate Professor, Department of CSC, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In last class, we have seen structure, right? Nested structure and how to pass the union structure into the functions. In today's class, we are going to consider the unions. The only difference in the union and structure, the memory allocation, the remaining all are same. See, union is also collection of various data types. There is a special data available in the C that allows you to store the different types of the same memory location. That is the difference. What is the meaning of same memory location? So we'll see in the editor, right? So see, the instead of structure, you should use a union. Then it is called as a union. See, if you want to access, if you want to initialize the same procedure whichever followed in the structure, the same way, right? Have you observed? The same way, right? As well as see, accessing also using dot operator like structure, dot operator. See, dot operator, right? All are the same, but the difference is memory allocation. See, I'm going to show you the difference here. If you consider this program, so what is the size of struct address? See, if you see the size of the struct address, what is the size? Okay, otherwise you just take the one variable here. Instead of this, you just pass a one variable. A, you just use A here. Then run the code. What is A? Oh, sorry. Here, the small spell mistake, that is why. Yes. See, what is the size of the structure? If you observe the size of the structure is, see, the addition of first characters they have given. See, 10 plus 6, right? 10 plus 6. But as we discussed, so value is goes to, see, 10 plus, so 4 is the output, but 10 means it is going to take the 12 bytes, right? So it is going to 16. For example, instead of this, if you use union here, observe carefully, if you use a union of, see, if you run this code, then it is going to take, what is the maximum size of the two data types? What is the maximum? So maximum size is 10 bytes only, right? 10 bytes means this system is going to take the 12 bytes, but no need to worry on that. So which type is maximum here? 10 bytes, right? So it is going to print 10 bytes normally 10 bytes, but the system is going to take this value is 12 bytes. That is why it is going to take the maximum size is 12 bytes. Is this clear? Right? Is this clear? So I'm going to show you one more thing. See, at any point of the moment, it is going to store only one value. For example, A is there, right? For example, strcpy of, see, strcpy of, I used a dot name, comma, IRE, right? I stored IRE there, right? And as well as see, a dot pin equal to 5045. If you print here a dot name, see what is the output you are going to get here? A dot name. See what is the output you are going to get here? If you run this code, you are going to get the output as, what is the value you are going to store the last? So we are going to store the last value is 500043. Yes or no? 50043. So it is going to store that value as a, so I forgot semicolon here. See, the last value which I stored here, so it is going to store the value is 50043. That is going to display here. The reason is here the union is going to store only one value at any point of the moment. Only one value at any point of the moment. See here, what I'm going to do here? Some unknown characters, because I stored IRE, but it is going to display this value. But if you print pin value, then you will get the right output. See, if you run this code, see what is the output it is going to generate. So 5000045. Yes or no? 5000045, because see the difference of union and structure. For example, it is a structure. So structure is going to allocate the memory like this. So here the size is 10 bytes and size is 4 bytes. Don't get confused. So why your system is going to 12 bytes means it is architecture dependent. That is why it is going to take the 12 bytes. Even I have given the explanation also, right? Generally as per the 10 and 4 bytes. This is a structure. When you use a structure. When you use a union, observe carefully. Union is going to allocate the maximum size. What is the maximum size? 10 bytes. Right? When you store the first time, it is going to store the IRE here. So when you store here IRE here and 50045 here. But here IRE is stored, right? After when you store a.pin means it is going to erase this one and store the value as 50045. That value what you stored here. That is why when you are going to print the a.name means you are getting the wrong output or unidentified output, right? But when you use a.pin, you are getting the right answer. The reason is you store that value only, the last. Is this clear? That is the main difference between the union and structure. The difference of union and structure is the memory allocation only. In the union, it is going to be the maximum. What is the highest memory variable that is going to take? But coming to the structure, it is a combination of all the data. Is going to divide the variables like this here. It is going to take the 14 bytes as per. But here it is going to be the 10 bytes only. But your system is going to plus 2 extra. The reason is the system architecture dependent. That is why it is going to 16 and it is going to 12. If you run the same code in your system, it will show the different output. Right? Don't consider that one. The exam point of view also, interview point of view also, try to add these two for the structure. And union point of view, you can find which is the highest. Then that one you can take. That's all. Right? Is this clear? So this is the assignment of union, accessing the union. Right? Thank you. Thank you very much.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.